Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today to view a quick demo on risk entry for project risk management. And just going to go to sys1globe.sysonex.net, just log in, which is the free version of the SysRisk product. So I'm just going to quickly log in, and after logging in, it just lands me in the enterprise risk management portal. But the target portal in this case is project risk management. And we go to the project risk management, and if you notice, guess what? There's no entry or anything like that. So the first thing you really want to do to enter a risk, even in risk entry pages, like also empty. So the first thing that you want to do when you're going to enter a risk, hey, I need to add a new project. So let's add a new project. Let's call it digital transformation, because digital transformation is all in vogue. And digital transformation, let's call it a project description of getting legacy systems out of the corporation and adding new improved systems to deliver on better business processes. So we'll just give a quick start date. That's today. Just kick it off today, and maybe just end it at April 30th. And we added this project. As soon as this project's been added, guess what? It's at initiation status. So now that the project's been added, you can start adding risk against this project. So now you've got this project, digital transformation. So what's the first risk title that you want to add? The risk title that you want to add to this is maybe legacy farms. Need PHP developer. We have legacy farms that no one understands. We need someone with PHP farms development expertise who can also create .NET forms for us. So that's the description. We're not going to go into risk resolution today, just risk entry. So risk resolution, we're just going to add not applicable. We will definitely add this at a different video. So because this is the individual tool or individual licensing that we have, as opposed to the team or the enterprise license, the risk owner is yourself, in this case me, risk assigned to is myself, risk monitored by is myself. And now we can actually add, say, you know what, this is a very likely issue. It automatically gives you a likelihood score, and it automatically, you can also add this moderate, but even within that area, you can actually add gradients and etc. So potential damage cost, let's say, we've got 10 or 12 of these farms. So let's say damage cost of 10,000 and mitigation cost, having an existing team member or even hiring somebody to do some quick review of these farms. And again, as I mentioned, the risk owner assigned to and monitored by yourself. So as part of the workflow, you're supposed to save and add and ask for approval, but this is really part of the workflow for teams as well as for Teams as well as for enterprise version, but we have to add it anyways, and it literally gets right over here. And if you actually click on it and view it, then you'll see what this entire project is about, or what this entire ticket is about. And once you've actually viewed it, you will see that it actually goes into your queue. So you've actually entered a risk, but that does not mean that that is part of a risk within, or a risk entry within your organization or within your own little project that you're working on. So you go to the risk approval queue. Do you want to approve it? Yes, you do want to approve it. You want to request change, reject, etc. But if you approve it, Let's just approve it. Once it gets approved, you'll notice that risk entry is complete, and hence the queue is complete. Risk approval is also risk approval queue is also complete. There's nothing to be seen over there. And if you go to risk register, we have a single project that's digital transformation, and that project, initiated an execution resolved, block, cancel, etc. And we now have a unique ID for that risk item. And if you notice, all of these areas are all completed, and it's just a matter of starting that risk item. Okay, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please give us a like, so that way we can create more of these videos for the knowledge base and contribute within the risk management knowledge base. If you do like this product, that is SysRisk, you can always go to Sysonex website, and in our product section, we have SysRisk. If you click on it, you will see this is the individual risk item, or the individual licensed product. You can try it for free. You are never billed, and enter this information, and you will get your own version of SysRisk, where you can look at project risk management, or in this case, also enterprise risk management. And project risk management is the one that we are looking at, and that's your risk register. So there you go. You have now entered a risk for your project, which is within the area of digital transformation. Thank you so much, everybody. Really appreciate your time. Take care, and stay tuned for the next video. All the best. Bye-bye.